Looking at number 12, to prepare ourselves for the quiz, I thought this was a great question, another inequality question, solving inequalities. Again, you can do this in your calculators as well if you go back and watch my calculator video for inequalities, which will be out, I think, Wednesday. So we're trying to solve for x. We're trying to solve for x, but notice what's around the x. That's what's connected with it right now is this negative 4. Through multiplication, so we need to get rid of this positive 5 here. How do I get rid of positive 5? By subtracting 5 to both sides. So that's gone. You're left with the negative 4x is less than or equal to 12. So next step here is to get rid of the negative 4. A lot of people would think I need to add 4, but that is incorrect. When you have negative 4x, those are connected through multiplication. That's negative 4 times x. So in order to break that apart, you have to divide by the coefficient. So divide both sides by negative 4. So the negative 4s would cancel out. You're left with x. 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. And here's the fun part. We had an old student that told us how to do this. Anytime he sees that we're dividing by a negative or multiplying by a negative, he thought uno. So uno means that you reverse the sign. That's what went through his head. Anytime we divided or multiplied by a negative, he thought about the uno cards and the reverse symbol. So notice we have less than or equal to, less than or equal to. We divided by a negative, so this is going to be greater than or equal to. Just because we divided by a negative, that is the reason why you flip the sign. When you divide by a negative, you flip the sign. Got to keep that in mind as you look at number 12 on the quiz and any questions that you see that have a negative in front of the variable that deal with inequalities.